If you are wondering if we have AI camera on Xiaomi 17T Pro, then the answer is yes. We do have some of the AI tools available in the camera on Xiaomi 17T Pro. If you open the camera, then you should be able to simply open settings. And then in here straight away we have AI recommendations, where we can find a couple of tools that can be considered as AI, like for example the automatic night mode, scene recommendations, extended depth of field, supermoon, and ultra zoom. There is also the scan QR codes option and notifications about orientation, but honestly I don't think they are actually AI tools. It's just that Xiaomi likes to label them as AI, I think. And besides that, you might find a couple of additional options in here which you might consider to be AI, but they are not labeled as such, so of course it's up to you if you treat them as AI or not. Like for example the correction of less distortion and stuff like that. And there we go, that is pretty much it. So you should be able to easily toggle these options. By the way, in the case of the ultra zoom, it is not well, it is automatically enabled, but it is set to auto, so it's not always used. So if you zoom in to 20x or more, then you might be able to find this button over here, this ultra zoom, which can be disabled, set to automatic, or just enabled all the time. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.